Hey guys, so I'm going to show you, do a little tutorial. I have a couple of parents asking for a reminder on how to record themselves on SeeSaw. So you're going to log in with your code. So here is the page. So I created an account for Evan so that he could, or so I could show you guys. So all you're going to do is you go up either down here. If you have something already on your page, you're going to have to scroll down. You just click on the add. The first time you use it, so any of them, so you can upload a photo and you could do that using your camera. Same with the video using your camera. You can upload a file. So if they created something on PowerPoint or on Word document or on anything, you can just save that to your computer and upload it. Some notes, a drawing, you see that there. So let's go into video because that's what you guys are trying to do. So you're going to click. So at the beginning, whenever you the first time you do it, it's going to come up with some kind of pop-up thing. It's going to say, do you allow it to use your camera? And then again, it's going to say, you have to click allow, and then you're going to have to do it again. Do you allow it to use the recording, the audio? So you're going to click the camera. There's 3 of them. So you're going to click the camera. Excuse my hair. And then yada, 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 you're going to record. When you finish, you have to click done. So I'm going to say done. And then you have to you can explain, you can type something up here, down here, a caption, whatever, if you want to name it, to tell me a little bit about it. You could write, if you're reading a book, you can write the name of your book with the author. If you're reading your writing sample, you can name it down there. And then you have to click this check mark again. So it's going to say uploading, and then it's waiting for teacher approval. So now I'm going to actually get an email, and then I will go in and approve that. So every time you want to add something, you just do the add. Let me know if you have any more questions.